Hello everyone, this is Sandy Storm, coming to you from the overcast city of Weatherworld in the east of the state. This week has seen some consistent weather actually. We've had 3 days where the sun has shone brightly. Particularly, I'd like to draw your attention to Tuesday, where the sun shone practically all day long, with a highest temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. I hope you made good use of that lovely sunny day. Some cloudy and somewhat rainy weather conditions presented themselves for the rest of the week, with the sun trying to shine valiantly through there on the Friday. Most of the temperatures ranged from between 16 and 18 degrees, with the exception of Tuesday. Monday was the coldest day of the week. The lowest temperature reached was 10 degrees Celsius. It did not get above 12 degrees Celsius that day. So that is all for this week's weather I'm sorry? Breaking news coming through now. Right. I'd like to give a shout out to all the year ones from a school called Lakeside College in Pakenham in Victoria. As part of their learning, I'm told they are going to record the weather just like I have done for 7 days and then present a report on their findings. I wish you all the best with this assignment, your amazing year ones. Good luck. Over and out, Sandy Storm.